displacement and distance. And distance. And distance. So we have to identify both these two factors perfectly fine in order to complete this lesson. So displacement, I will get an example. Think this is your home. Think this is your home. And think this is your school. And this is the path. Just think this is the road or the path. This is the road. So wait, it is like a butterfly. Wait, it should be simpler. So think that this line is the road or the path. So okay, imagine this is your home and imagine this is your school. So if the length of this path, let's say it is 2.5 kilometers, which is 2,500 meters. Think this road or the path length is 2.5 kilometers or 2,500 meters. So this is distance. This is distance, which means this path, this whole path with this junction, with this whole path, this whole road with this path all together is known as distance. Okay, distance. So I think you can imagine what distance completely refers to. So I will now explain what displacement is. So okay, as I said before, this whole path, the length of this whole path is known as distance. Displacement is another thing. Displacement is like this. So as I said before, imagine this is your home, imagine this is your school. So as you can see here, by this black colored line, this represents the displacement. This simply refers the displacement between the home and the school. So as I said before, distance is a scalar quantity. As you can see here, as I said before, scalar quantities are the quantities which has a specific magnitude but not a particular direction. As you can see here, distance is a scalar quantity because it only has a magnitude. Kilometers, meters are magnitudes. So distance only has a magnitude. So distance is a scalar quantity, and we are now going to explain about. I am now going to explain about displacement. And as you can see here, this black line is represented as the displacement. Displacement, let's write it as 2 kilometers, 2.0 kilometers. So as you can see here, this black line represents displacement. Displacement is as you know, displacement is a vector quantity because it has a specific magnitude and also a direction. So we have to write the directions like this: south, east, west. As you can see here, home school is situated east to the direction of home, east. This right side represents east. So the school is situated east to the home. So this is the direction. As you can see here, displacement has a direction and also a specific magnitude. So displacement is a perfect vector quantity. If I write the displacement as an answer, if a question says what is the displacement in this diagram? What is the displacement in the diagram? We have to write the answer like this. So this is the question. The answer would be like this. Wait, I will erase the distance part because what is getting out of that. So I erase the distance part, and I am now going to show how to write the answer for a question like this. The question says, what is the displacement in the below diagram? We have to write the answer like this. Answer should be like this. As you can see here, these are the directions. These are the four main directions. I wrote it as a sketchy because it refers to the diagram directly. So I wrote it as a sketchy. What we call it, sketchy. Anyway, it is sketchy. Don't think about it. So as I said before, these are the four main directions, and this is the east direction. So as you can see here, displacement is 2 kilometers or 2000 meters to the east. So this is the answer. So if a question asks for displacement, you have to write in this structure, because we have to show that displacement is always a vector quantity, so we have to write it like this. So as I said before, displacement is 2 kilometers to east. We have to write it in words, so like this. The displacement from home to school is 2 kilometers, 2000 meters to the east. Like this is the answer. So I hope you understand what displacement and distance and their quantities which they belong to. So as I said before, we represent distance only as a magnitude like 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, but we represent displacement with the direction like this, 2 kilometers or 2000 meters to the east. Likewise, we represent displacement. So displacement is a perfect vector quantity. So I hope you understand this part of the lesson perfectly fine. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Goodbye for now.